I've got a message for you. Hey, Anna here, and we are going to do makeup and a reading for you today. The card that was chosen for you today is the High Priestess. Let's get into what that means. The High Priestess represents intuition, mystery, and inner knowing. When she appears, it's a sign to stop seeking answers outside of yourself. Start trusting your own power. We are going to use this soft pearl. It symbolizes purity and inner light. Amethyst or lilac for spiritual connection and higher knowledge. Indigo or deep navy for mystery and connection to the subconscious. Black for depth. Blend this recipe together. Silver symbolizes wisdom, intuition, and the divine feminine. Right now, the energy is asking, what truth have you been ignoring? What have you been afraid to hear? Even from your own heart. What is it? Only you know. This glow, that's not just makeup. It's a reminder that your light does not need validation. You already know. You already are. The High Priestess isn't loud. She is still, silent, powerful. This look is your reminder. Trust your gut. Protect your inner peace. And don't let anyone shake your knowing. If you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. Step back. Go within. You already hold the answers. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more like this.